Hello guys, this is given question. If x plus 1 over x is equal to 3, then find out the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. So we have to find out the cube value of this question. So let's try to solve this question. So as this is a given question, x plus 1 over x is equal to 3. This is the given value and we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. So first of all, we will take cube on both sides of this equation. So taking cube on both sides of this equation. So we have taken cube on both sides of this equation. As we know that according to cube formula, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here a equal to x, so a equal to x and b equal to 1 over x. So now we will expand this according to this formula. So look over here, x cube as a cube plus b cube as 1 over x cube plus 3ab. So 3 is equal to x and b is 1 over x into a plus b, that is x plus 1 over x equal to 3 cube. So now if you look over here, so this x will cancel this x. So it will become 3 into x plus 1 over x. So this x will cancel this x. So overall this will become x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 into 3. Now from where this 3 comes, so as you see in the given question, x plus 1 over x is equal to 3. So here we will put x plus 1 over x is equal to 3. So we have put here the value of x plus 1 over x and is equal to, which is equal to 3 cube. So now this 3 when multiply with 3, it will become 9 and the cube of 3 is equal to 27. So overall x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 9 equal to 27. Now we will send this 9 on the other side of equation. So x cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 27 minus 9 and this will become x cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 18, and this is the required solution of this question. So thank you for watching. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment section. Goodbye.